Hey y'all, my name is Wendy Hutchins and this is Growth Walk, a channel I created to document my path towards goal attainment and then also to use it as a platform for me to inspire, encourage, and excite others to strive for personal and professional growth and development in all areas of their life, while maintaining a positive attitude towards life and all that it offers. So today I want to talk to you guys about how I batch cook and prepare my lunch and dinner for the week. Usually I do my shopping on, well, lately it's been on Sunday, but I try and get it done either Friday or Saturday. That way I can, just go out there, do the shopping, get all that done, and I'm not trying to do everything in one day. So yeah, I go to the store. I mentioned to you guys before in a previous video that I allot myself $40 each week to cover food and groceries for myself, my daughter, my oldest daughter, and then my youngest daughter. $40 to some people is not a lot of money, but dig this, you have to know where to shop, what to buy, and you have to plan your meals ahead of time. Me personally, I eat the same exact thing every week for lunch. So I know exactly how much that's going to cost. I don't stray from it. And surprisingly, I don't get tired of it. I eat chicken, green beans, and rice. Sometimes I will tell you this, I'll switch it up and I'll have sweet potatoes. That's something different, or I might have corn. But overall, it's the same thing for the most part: chicken, green beans, and rice, and I prepare it the same way. For one, that allows me to save time, and I'm just used to doing it. It's very easy, and it's nothing to it. So you have to know ahead of time what meals you want to plan to cook for that week. So me, really, I just have to find out, figure out what I want to cook for dinner for that week. Like for instance, I went shopping today. Today's Sunday. So I ended up going shopping today. I still have to batch cook. I haven't done that yet. I've been recording videos all day, but it's getting kind of late, so I need to get started. So anyway, today I'm going to make my usual. I'm going to make teriyaki chicken. I bake it, and then I have jasmine rice and then green beans. For dinner, I'm just going to make spaghetti, and I use the penne pasta. I'm going to put turkey ground meat in it, and then pepperonis. So to actually start the batch cooking process, what I do is I'm going to prepare or cook both meals at the same time. So what I do is I get the chicken out, rinse it off, I season it, lay the chicken out in the pan, put the teriyaki sauce on it. I'll pop that in the oven. Then I will put the ground turkey in a pan and start cooking that, season it while I'm boiling the water for the noodles. What else needs to be cooked? I buy canned vegetables. So I'll use like canned green beans, and they're easy. Like I don't even do anything with those for real. I open the can up, I rinse them off because I try and get a lot of that salt off because canned goods can have like high sodium content. So I try and get some of that off. So I rinse them off, and then that's it. And I just put them once the chicken's done and once the rice is done, because I'll also put a pot of water on the stove with the rice, so I can cook that. And once all that's done, the chicken comes done out the oven. I lay out the containers that I use to put the food in, and then I just make it. I make the plates, like I'm making food for 4 or 5 people, and that's it. And I just put all the food into the containers, lay the rice down, I put the chicken on top, and around the side of it I lay the green beans and put the lids on them. Bam, done. Lunch is done for the week. Simple as that. Now keep in mind, while my chicken was cooking, I had on the stove top the ground turkey, which it's brown, it's already done. The water was boiling for the noodles, so that's all done and everything. And then dinner's done. That's it. That's dinner for the week. So I mix it all together, put everything together, and then I'll put that in a container and put that in the refrigerator. And a lot of the times, well, pretty much every single time that I'm done, I make all my chicken, there's always chicken left over. So that's the chicken that I use for dinner for that week. Or not for dinner for the week, sorry. Dinner for that day. So today we'll have chicken. So for the most part, we always have chicken like every Sunday. Or at least I do. I don't care. Sometimes Brie gets tired of it and I have to do different stuff. But one thing she likes is chicken tacos. So she'll eat those pretty much every Sunday. So that's it. I mean, it's pretty simple. I mean, and you save so much time. I spend however long you spend cooking one meal, you spend maybe a little bit longer because you're cooking two. That's it. Like when I batch cook just from start to finish, it's no more than 2 hours. Seriously. And that saves me so much time as opposed to having to come home from work, a long day, you know what I mean, working 9 to 5, and you come home. I don't even work 9 to 5, I'm just saying. And then you come home and you're tired. You just want to spend some time with your kids. You know, you want to have some time to yourself to do some personal development, to read a book, maybe to write in your journal, play with the kids, and wait, you got to cook dinner. So you got to spend like a half an hour cooking dinner or an hour cooking dinner. Don't even do it, y'all. Batch cook. Prepare everything on Sunday. And then, so I don't just prepare my lunch and my dinner for the week. Any snacks that I'm going to have during the week, 'cause I get hungry. I don't know if you guys know, I have a video that I posted too. I'm a nursing mom. So I still nurse Ava, and making milk makes you hungry. Okay, I am to consume an extra 500 calories a day to help with my milk production. So, I make little snacks to bring into work. So every Sunday I'll make breakfast, and I make excess breakfast so I can take some in to work during the week. So I'll have breakfast like maybe for 2 days. So I'll have enough left over for that many days. I also boil eggs. I boil 6 eggs every week. I love me some hard boiled eggs, y'all. So I boil 6 eggs every week, and that's a good little snack. It's fulfilling. The protein's good. What else do I bring in? Carrots, little baby carrots. I try and switch it up sometimes a week because I get tired of eating the same old snacks. I graham crackers. I really like those a lot too. What else? There is this, I call it my elixir. I make this every once in a while. And what it is the yerba mate tea. And this is, I drink my elixir in the afternoons at work. It's like an energy boost. So the yerba mate tea that, gives you natural energy or whatever. So in that, I put like a teaspoon of the apple cider vinegar. And I use a blue agave or just honey and mix all that together or whatever. And it's so bomb, yeah. So good. So yeah, that's my elixir. And I usually make that on Sunday too. Make like a big vat of it. So I have enough for at least a couple days at work. And then too, the food does not go bad. It's just like having leftovers in your refrigerator for like a week. I mean, or till Friday. It's not even a whole week, And what I do is I only make lunch for 4 days. That's it. The 5th day, I usually have dinner left over from the house. I'll just take in like leftovers. So on Friday of this week, I'll probably just take in, spaghetti to have. And that's it. It's simple. Nothing to it, just to do it. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. That's all I got. But yeah, so let me guys know what you do. There are other ways too that you can make preparing meals and feeding your family easier too. There's crock pot recipes. You can check out Pinterest. I hear they have a lot of different things on there. I don't really use my crock pot that much because I'm like kind of stuck in my ways right now. The things I'm doing, they're working for me. It's saving me money. But hey, if you guys know of any other tips or tricks or whatever to save money, to prepare meals, let me know. I'll definitely, take the suggestions and see what I can do with them. Maybe utilize them, refer them to someone else, something. But yeah, so that's how I batch cook and prepare my meals and lunch for the week. Thank you for watching, and I'm going to leave you guys with this. If you want something you've never had, you must be willing to do something you've never done. All right? Thank you.